If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Hello students, welcome you all to this new lecture in machine series. So today again we will be solving 5 questions starting from question number 126 to question number 130. Okay, then let's try to solve these 5 questions. Now if you come to 126, two single phase transformer T1, T2 each rated of these are connected in parallel. The percentage impedance are given. To share a load of these 0.8 power factor 100 kVA, the contribution of T2. So this one we have already seen. It is divided in the, it is just like current division. It is divided in the reverse ratio of their impedances. So they are asking for T2. So T2 load will be equal to T1 by T1 plus T2. For T2 I am considering, so it will be T1. It is just like your current conversion into 1000. So it is 1 plus J6 T1 divided by 1 plus 6J plus 0.8 plus 4.8J into this 1000 kVA load. So if you do this one, it will be 5.5 in kVA they are asking, so then only this much. So in 127, 200 by 450 has two winding transformer rated at 20 kV. Its winding are connected to auto transformer rated by 200 to 600. Resistive load of 12 ampere is connected, 12 ohm is connected in the high voltage side. The auto transformer, the value of the load resistance in the low voltage side. Obviously it is 200. It is of this fashion. Whatever it is a transformer, it is 200 by it is 600. So if you place a load of 12 here, so how much it will connect, it will show here. Z dash will be equal to 12 divided by this ratio square. It is coming to low voltage side, so it should reduce. So what is the ratio here? 2 to 600, 200 to 1 is to 3. So ratio is 3. So it should get reduced. So that's why I am dividing by 3 square, n square. So if you divide by 3 square, it is 1.33. So this is your answer. Next, if you come to 120, a single phase 400 volt 50 Hz transformer has an iron loss of this rated condition. What is the, when operated at 200 volt 25 Hz, the iron loss is this. When operated at 416 52 Hz, the value of the hysteresis loss divided by eddy current loss. So this one we have already solved, H1 by H2. So if you see H1 by H2 is equal to your V1 by V2 to the power 1.6 multiplied by F2 by F1 to the power 0.6. You place this value, it is 400 by 200 to the power 1.6 and then 25 by 50, all these values, different cases. From here you will get H2 equal to 0.5 H1. Similarly, your E1 by E2 is equal to V1 by V2 whole square, which is equal to 400 by 200 whole square, which will give rise to E2 is equal to 0.25 into E1. So they have given you H1 plus E1 is equal to 5000 and H2 plus E2, that is 0.5 H1 plus 0.25 E1, that is also given 2000. So if you solve these two, you will find H1 is equal to 3000 and E1 is equal to 2000. This is at 50 Hz. So now they are asking at 52 Hz. So again you have to convert it. So now it is 3000. Now you don't know what will be hysteresis loss. It is 400 initially you applied in the first case. Now you are applying 416 to the power 1.6 multiplied by it is 52 by 50 to the power 0.6. So in 52 Hz your hysteresis loss, this is actually H3 I can say. It is 3120. Similarly your E3, E1 by E3, E1 is how much? 2000 divided by E3 you don't know, that is again equal to 400 divided by 416 square. So that means your E3 is equal to, from here if you put it, you will get 2163.2. Now what they are asking? They are asking the value of hysteresis loss divided by eddy current loss. So H3 divided by E3. So if you put all this value 3120, you will get the division is 1.44. So that is your answer. This divided by this. So if you come to 129, a single phase 22 kV, this is distribution transformer is to be connected auto transformer to get output voltage. This one output voltage is 2420. It's maximum kVA. So you have seen the maximum kVA 220, 222. This should come here, and this 220 should be here because you want to get 2420. You give maximum voltage both sides for to get maximum rating. So you have seen this one. It will be 2420 into this current. What is this current? This current is equal to 22 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 220. So if you do this one, it will be 242 kVA. That is your option C. Now if you see 130, single phase 200 by 200 transformer is connected as auto transformer such that its kVA rating is maximum. Again maximum kVA rating. So again you know which side will be what. This should be 300 and this should be 200. So again it will be 300 multiplied by what is the maximum current flowing through this 100 ampere, 100 volt winding. So it is 2 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 100. So it will be 6 kVA. That is your answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.